myself to get it jumping, man. We in here. You know what I'm saying? See, let them know, man. Talk some shit, Sneezey.
Sneezey, bro.
Yo, hold it down. It's about to get real.
You gotta speak up, Steve. The bird in here.
Sneezey, bro. Bird. Columbus, Ohio. New KML.
Let's go. And on my left,
Cuban, yo Merlin, what's up, man? Y'all awake? Yeah. All right. Check out Trey 5 Magic, man. Merlin shit, they put this shirt together for me. Check out their website, man. I know what's up.
we flip the coin off Cam. Cuban going first. Let's get it, man.
I'm voting for this.
I said,
Excuse me.
Please hold it
I
down.
won't take much of your time. I'm power searching. Gripped up. Me and the pole. Clipped up. Shower curtain. I'm a boss with a meal. Gunplay. Come meet the power circle. If it's water, fire, air, I earth you. And as the avatar, I'm the only one who can complete the circle, the funeral plan. Do more than hurt you. Turn a runner into a walker. Hurt you. If you shoot, I return by 9. Beat the curfew. Make a mirage before your eyes. Let the desert desert you. If it's up, then it's stuck. We can't never dead this shit. One arm over sneeze. I got proper etiquette. He ain't weaving shots. He can't breathe in a box. This ain't Ripley's. They only can't believe they found Sneeze. Eyes open with his breathing stop. We in the DMV. Them things you say to me, them shit's words. City of pimp dealers, bitch stealer. Ever been to the Pittsburgh? Merlin, we went to Shitsburg, Titanic. I tried to avoid and swerve, still clip bird. Your death was imminent. Your death was imminent at Eminence. When I'm close like this, I can't miss. The blood don't even spill, it just miss. I'm not one of them niggas you belong with. Y'all seen that UM selection? But the next nigga pull a Q card, better not say the wrong shit.
Turn up, Q. Turn up.
let's go.
That was fire.
Bro, it's crazy.
I know the game. From lookouts to hand, it was a slow jam. I gave a fiend a 50 for every fiend they brought. That was my rewards program. Go! Keep going. I've been jumped off the porch. We really dwell in this. Every gun get a switch in case he tell a snitch.
Oh my.
You're gonna die. The hell, bro, if I give you an elbow, it's gonna be 12 to 6. It's Maryland shit. Keep going. Yeah, it's Maryland shit. I took your old bait to the trap. Ain't gonna be nothing but shells and fish. Oh, the hell with this. Oh, the hell with this. I've been punching so long, this shit don't even swell my fist. I'm not friendly. Nigga, I'll throw you in that well you wish. You trying to come here to raise. Come on, Q. You trying to come here to raise your stock, trying to battle me. Oh, that slow flow that you got supposed to rattle me. I don't care how hard you punch. Ain't nothing ever hit me harder than reality. So what you howling? Oh my. So you howling what? I've been catching bodies. They been piling up. I can't say I did it all, but I'm proud enough. I'm a big speaker. Had to give him the beats because Bose wasn't loud enough. Meet me around 10:01. Come on, Q. That shit is crazy. Rap. Meet me around 10:01. Yeah. It's a place, not a time. Yeah. Yeah. It's in Temple Hills. Bullet is Temple Hill. Know what's up. Yeah. If I tell him lock the door, he can't leave. DE, put that big bitch on me, I can't breathe. Revenge, I really want to let it go, but I can't sneeze. Oh my God. What? It's about to be a lot of oh my gods and oh no's. I slow you down, I slow rolls. Don't be dumb. As a kid, they said red light, green light, and I brought a gun.
What?
what the fuck?
I should have came to Columbus. This nigga wearing fucking Team Jordans. He fucking disrespectful. Goofy ass nigga. I should have came to Columbus to say fuck your couch, nigga. This my house, nigga. Why you think I'm kicking your ass in house slippers? Merlin shit.
It's so Sneezey, let's get it.
Hold it up, so the
Hey, yo, so Sneezey, hold it down.
Hold it down.
A few people said you was gonna win. But I'm like, when? I think we know you versus Pride is like 4 times more sad than any song played after Cleo. Tonight it rains. That shit you went through yesterday was Mad Max. Tonight is Wayne. Both sad stories, but you still die the same. Funny. Oh, you're a funny guy. He about to be mad as fuck. Anything feel funny, I'm gonna start cracking up at the little big guy stick on the side. Nothing but a batten up. This. That was crazy. This is where I start acting up. Any of you niggas play with me and we play for keeps. They got graves for the cheap right now. If it's up, it shall stay up. You couldn't pay me, be sleep right now. That boy got at me, creep slow. Probably the Acura stomach shot. Cuban Last Supper paint the whole wall. I am Johnny Tapia. That is Bible talk. That's Bible talk. Rifle case blow, throw the whole spinal off. The very last few minutes. The very last few minutes on Jerry. But his final thoughts on this floor. If I lose this, Berg has lost it for sure. He is nowhere near Berg. I am lost at shore. Out there where the water get different, nigga. Garden died because I watered it different. I walk in venues and out of Dahmer exhibits. They don't gotta ponder. They don't gotta ponder who did it. They hear my name and they on game. They don't even ask about it. Kales knew I was gonna roll with a box. See the one pushed the Jack pallet. The crucible angle. More than sure I ain't heard the last about it. Catch me at another one. We can all laugh about it. But tonight, bias or not, you are a dead man. There's homies you gotta join in the ground. All bullshit aside, we low-key wasted time letting that coin hit the ground. If y'all know me, where is the lie at? Right side, where it lies at. Headshot, body, lie back. You nice and Berg, the price match, nigga. I get to peeling at the circle like a dry patch, too. You are standing where people die at. Fuck is Christ at? This nigga is standing where people die at. Where is Christ at? He was right there. Should have been there. Should have been there. Hang gliding, steering. I let the stick air if we pass rapping. Then I'm back slapping. Nature boy. Listen. If Kale say get there, I just get there. I quit caring who she come with. I'm gonna get away with murder. She's a rich parent. I got comfy. Sharing a knife. I got comfy. Sharing a knife with my bunkie. That's on Miss Sharon. Park the blade, or I could run it around your corner on a quick errand. From afar, hurt. Close range would be far worse. He played a part with it. But any real shark gonna tell you Cuban a mark first. Look at it. Look at it. You got the face of a nigga who might call the guards first. That's why you don't even feel the bullet connect. You just heard the car skirt. My rap shot. My rap shot shot is based on crack rock. A whole bunch of hard work, razor. Cut him out of nowhere. We're gonna make this car work, the paintbrush artwork, the burn unbelievable. Lift the stick, whole bunch of right turns in the vehicle. That's one more decent rapper gunned down. Nah, I ain't gonna stop, man. I am Chloe, little brother, after China, who gonna get robbed next. Box niggas like nuggets. Clucky came with the mop set. Wake him up out of bed, the alarm clock set. It's a blessing where we are. That's why it's always a weapon where we are. Open your top, we letting Jetsons out the car. Everybody wants to It's a blessing where we are. That's why it's always a weapon where we are. Open your top, we letting Jetsons out the car. Everybody want to be number one as if being second ain't that far behind. Revolve. I got faith in all five, and that's just the starting line. Message tag the windshield like a parking fine. It is open.
What?
Message tag the windshield like a parking fine. It is open grounds. Shaking snow globes, floating around with it. Pumping for the bag. Ain't no gas, just a pump inside this bag. Pumping for the bag. No gas, so I put a pump inside this bag. Vending machine fiend, push buttons and get a bag. The predicament panelists. The predicament panelists. They had Berg losing this unanimous. I'm gonna need to know where niggas get their cannabis from. Wrong decisions is when the incisions and bandages come higher and learning. I be on campus with guns, low key, took it too far with the white beam. It's like a lamp on the gun. Low key took it too far with the white beam. Like a lamp on the gun. Niggas love dancing till they gotta dance with a gun. Then they got big manners. Hugs, condolences, big banners with the big picture. Making see the big picture, little guns, big sister. I hardly ever get to see him for the baby. Usually I slide with the 40. Niggas always want to hold me team for the 80. If you a Cuban, when the bricks drop, breaking down, pitch stop. Last nigga I hook up for free. I am not the crib lot. Y'all show up, y'all get got. But if y'all don't learn nothing off of me, y'all learn Lord is real and y'all will watch how the fuck y'all talk to me. Now, one more decent rapper gunned down. Same one gun with one round. Better thank God this was only one round.
Hey, make some noise for that, man!